can have so many socks, patterns, designs out there, but if you never made the socks, it will look very complicated. And I hear a lot of people say, oh, I could never make socks, it look too complicated, but it's not, and I can promise you it's not. And also, we are releasing super easy step-by-step socks video. So when you watch our video, I made it very easy to follow, even for complete beginner who have never needed socks can make one of these. So socks are very compact, so you only need a few balls of yarn and you can bring it to anywhere when you travel on the airplane. This is great project to take in. So socks is a great also gift for holiday. So it's great to start learn how to make a socks and start making gifts for you and for your loved one. So these are very simple socks, and see, this is different because it's different pattern, but the basic anatomy of the socks are same. So it has a cuff. You start with begin with this cuff. This part is called the cuff, and the heel part, and the gusset, and the foot, and the toe. That's all you need to know. And everyone looks different because it's the pattern is different. But basic philosophy is the same. So we'll show you in the video how to start and how to make a heel and gusset and foot and toe. Then you can make any of these. So you can make solid. Solid is the easiest way for the beginners. But changing the color is basically changing the yarn. You cut the yarn and change the color. So don't be intimidated by, wow, they had 2 different colors or 3 different colors. Colors are easy to make a change. So these are all stockinette, and there is some rib stitch and stockinette combination, and the colors. Colors can be solid, two-tone, or you can have 3 different colors or 4 different colors and stripe. But also you can make the cup longer. You can fold it, and you can make a lace socks. So much variation, so much fun. So I hope you make one and watch our video. It's super easy, and I hope you make this and enjoy and spread love to anyone you love. That's so cute. Okay.